welcome to page Buntim J. Rice, and also welcome to our short video class. Nice to see you again. I am Savdy, and today we will start lesson 19 about manna and water in the desert. So in this video, we're going to learn 5 words together. Are you ready? Let's get started. For the first word, we have wilderness. Wilderness. Wilderness spelled W-I-L-D-E-R-N-E-S-S. Wilderness. For example, they are crying in the wilderness because they are thirsty. They are crying in the wilderness because they are thirsty. For the second word is pick up. Pick up. Pick up spelled P-I-C-K-U-P. Pick up. For example, he is pick up the bag and smile. He is pick up the bag and smile. For the third word is bread. Bread. Bread spelled B-R-E-A-D. Bread. For example, yesterday I bought a loaf of bread. Yesterday I bought a loaf of bread. For the fourth word is food. Food. Food spelled F-O-O-D. Food. For example, what is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? And the last word we have hungry. Hungry. Hungry spelled H-U-N-G-R-Y. Hungry. For example, he is hungry because he didn't eat breakfast. He is hungry because he didn't eat breakfast. So this time, please repeat after me. Wilderness. Wilderness. Pick up. Pick up. Bread. Bread. Food. Food. Hungry. Hungry. Great job, everyone, and thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you like this video, and please try to remember these words, and also try to make sentences and leave in a comment. If you do it right, we will give a thumb up, but if not, we will have check. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please click the link, and I will see you next time in the next video. Bye bye. God bless you.